Hello, I'm Logan. It's my pleasure to introduce topking new cylindrical grinding machine. In TIMTOS 2023, topking proudly presents cross-slider type CNC CAM cylindrical grinding machine. The model name X-35100CAM. Swing over table is 370 mm, maximum grinding diameter is 350, and distance between centers is 1 meter. We also have different sizes of CAM cylindrical grinding machine, model X6CAM and X3550CAM. Distance between centers range from 200 to 1 meter. The cross-slide machine design features X and Z axis grinding wheel CAD moving cross design can save the working space. Also, the working table is fixed and bolt-on machine base, which can put heavy load of component. The CAM grinding machine features highlights: grinding wheel infeed, the X-axis equipped with high-speed linear motor without backlash, and with closed-loop linear scale providing excellent machine repeatedly performance. The working spindle equipped with direct drive motor with high-resolution angle encoder on C-axis for better angle precision control. With X-axis linear motor infeed control and the C-axis angle encoder control, both combination design can perform grinding smoothly and accomplish all grinding job tasks, especially for eccentric and non-circular parts requirements. X-35100CAM, equipped with high-performance Siemens A40D CNC control system, which have topking latest graphical user interface version and CAD software. Also can create customized interface to meet customer different job requests. Topking CNC CAM machine series is special designed for grinding eccentric and non-circular components, which can meet the job requirements such as eccentric shaft, camshaft, and the crankshaft, and the polygon punch. These are very suitable for automotive, automation, and mold and fluid power industries.